Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I found the best. Honestly, I'm really excited about this. I'm really proud of my affordable furniture finds. Everything is under $500. I'm telling you, if you are trying to get your home looking aesthetic, these furniture pieces are definitely for you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna see what some of my home decor finds are, my affordable home decor finds, then please just keep on watching. Okay, the first thing that I found is this wooden sideboard. I absolutely love this because of the reflective, almost glass-like appearance. I feel like if you wanted to add a gallery wall on top of this, if you wanted to have this in your dining room, maybe even sort of like an entryway, if you have a large hallway sort of situation, I'm gonna pop up some examples of what I kind of visualize with this furniture piece. I think this is gorgeous. I feel like it's a statement piece, but it's still technically a neutral because of the wood color. I'm just picturing some bar accessories on top, maybe like some decanters, and you honestly cannot beat this price. Obviously, everything that I'm sharing is under $500. This one is, okay, $289. I had to just double check the price. I would definitely snatch this up. Okay, and sticking with the wood theme, this coffee table, this round coffee table, and it also has round legs. I thought this was really unique and really different. Again, it's kind of with that eclectic, collected, traditional with a little bit of modern home decor style. You could even do like a dark rug with this, maybe like a neutral colored couch, and then a pattern accent chair or even an ottoman. If you're working in a smaller space, I think would look so gorgeous. This is such a statement piece without it being like a bold color or a bold print. It's not too overpowering. You could style this with coffee table books, with like a candle on top, maybe like a vase of flowers. I think would just be so pretty. Okay, we've got lots of wood, but that's a good thing. That means quality. And for under $500, like, come on, you can't beat it. This console table here, oh my gosh, if you have maybe an open floor plan in your house and your couch is kind of open to the kitchen, or maybe there's like a little there's space for a dining room in between your living room and your kitchen, it's like completely open. I think the perfect addition behind that couch is a console table, something like this. I have something like this in my home, so I'm a little bit biased, but I think it kind of finishes off the couch. It kind of completes the room and it gives like a hard stop, especially if you have an open floor plan. You kind of need those things that divide the space a little bit so it doesn't just feel like a bunch of things in one big space. This kind of defines the end of the living room and maybe the start of the dining room or the start of the kitchen. It just kind of finishes off that area. I absolutely love this. I like how they have it styled. I don't know if I would put vases underneath the console table. I would probably do like an ottoman or maybe a basket of throw blankets would be really nice. Again, if you've been following long enough, I kind of had that same thing going on in my home, but I think this is gorgeous. I love the legs on this, like the wooden top. All of this is just so gorgeous. If you feel like your home is maybe pulling a little bit gray or a little bit too cool tone and you want something that's gonna warmen it up, soften it up a little bit, I feel like adding wood is a great way to do that. It just adds in that earthy feel to make it less stark, gray, modern, kind of untouchable. It gives some life in the space. Okay, and technically this is not furniture, but I couldn't pass this up. This wool area rug, I absolutely love. I feel like the fact that it is wool, the color, like all of this just looks gorgeous to me. Love the color, like that rich brown color is so gorgeous. I'm picturing it even with that coffee table, even though it's like kind of tone on tone, it's very matchy. I still think that would look really, really pretty. I just love this color. To me, this dark, rich color just looks so elegant and timeless. I love this rug. It's very simple. You might be thinking, okay, it's just a brown rug. What's the big deal? But I'm telling you, it's pieces like that where it's like understated, but it says a lot because of the color. It's enough. Like she really doesn't need to do too much. She doesn't need to have a pattern. She doesn't need to have all the jazz with the frills and the tassels. This is classy. This is timeless. I love it. You guys, when I saw these chairs, my jaw dropped. These are gorgeous. They come in a set of 2. I love the shape. I love the this sleek design. It's very sculptural to me. I just love these chairs so much. I love obviously like the wooden color. I don't know, to me it's wooden, yes, but it kind of looks a little bit olive. So I think this would be perfect if your color scheme is obviously neutrals, but if you had green in your color scheme, green in the color scheme, I think that would look really nice because I don't know, it could just be the pictures, but it looks a little bit olive to me. Does anybody else see that? I feel like this would look so nice. Maybe if you had, like I said, an accent color of green, maybe if you had like a dark dining room or maybe even like a wallpaper with a little bit of green in it, I think these would pop and look really nice. And I just love when I see a set of two, because realistically, especially dining room chairs, you're not gonna buy just one, but the fact that you only have to buy it once and you get two, something about that already feels like you're getting a deal to me. I feel like, oh, I'm saving money because it comes in a set of two. But I just really like these chairs. I like the legs on these chairs. I think this is really stylish. The cushion also looks pretty thick. So yeah, I just feel like these would be a good pick. Okay, moving on, not a furniture piece, but this pendant light. You guys, this is another thing. I feel like I hit the jackpot. Like I feel like when I was looking for things, I just kept getting winners after winners after winners. This light is so stunning. I love it. It looks like art. It looks sculptural. I'm pretty sure this is like a fabric yarn type of material as the shade. I love the design of this. I love the chains hanging from it. I just know that at night turning this on, this might be, you know how I feel. I don't really like the big lights on. I only do lamps. I only do spotlights, candles to really set the vibe. This might be one of those lights where you turn on because the shade might provide a lot of shade. Like it's not like one of those like, you know, like the like paper shades or the cloth material shades that are white that you could see right through. I don't know. I feel like the yarn, I feel like the fabric would be more forgiving and you could turn on this light and it would still be dim. I absolutely love this. I love how they have it set up in this kitchen. I think also in a living room space would be beautiful because of the fabric. It instantly makes it feel more cozy because the material is soft. Like it's a softer material, so it feels cozier in my mind. I just absolutely love this. Oh, this is just such a good piece. Okay, and when I was looking on Pinterest, a lot of the pictures that I personally save for like my home boards, like home inspiration boards on Pinterest, have like darker furniture as I sit in like a sea of white. And a lot of what I save is like darker, moodier, kind of like a vampier, like rich chocolate vibe. A lot of them have these dark, rich chocolate chairs. So I found this one on Wayfair. Like I said, all of this is under $500. I love the shape of this. I thought this was really unique. I think if you wanted to add like a throw pillow, a throw blanket on the side in like a lighter color, you could even do like a pattern. And because of its unique shape, you could get one of these if your space allows, or two, maybe one like on either side, facing each other of the couch would be really nice with the coffee table in the middle. I love this chair. Okay, next up is a mirror. I absolutely love the shape of this. I thought this would be perfect in like an entryway, even in maybe like a powder bathroom. You could switch the mirror in your bathroom to something like this. I feel like, again, it's kind of like a statement piece. It's different. It's a different shape. A lot of the things that I'm sharing, it's really all about the shape. It's all about the actual design of said furniture piece and not necessarily like, okay, it's a mirror, yes, but it's a cool shaped mirror. It's a chair, yes, but it's a really cool shaped chair. It's a coffee table, yes, but it's a really cool shaped coffee table. So that's something that I kind of look for. I look for obviously like the material, the price, but then, I mean, sometimes let's be real, but then mainly I'm looking at like the design of it, the shape of it, how it's going to sit in the room. And I just feel like a mirror like this is really cool. It's a different, unique type of shape. Oh my gosh, you guys, this coffee table and side table two-piece set here, I love this. Obviously it's wooden. It actually comes in two different colors. You can get it in this wood color, but you can also get it in black. I love the wood color personally. I love how they have it styled with like the long branch on there. I think this is so cool. You could obviously have them separate. You could put the side table maybe next to a chair or the side of the couch and then have your coffee table. I would put them both together. I would keep them together. I love how the side table is honestly what's making this. this. I love how the side table kind of has like a round, like the actual surface table part is like this amber glass. I think this looks so good. Like this is so cool to me. I could just picture this in like, I don't know, just like a really cool, person's apartment. They're playing records, like they're, I don't know, like I just really like this. It's different, it's unique. You're not gonna see this everywhere and it's super affordable. I just think this is awesome. And if you had this set on top of that dark brown rug, like that's half the battle right there. Like your living room is like pretty much halfway done. It's already gonna be cool. Okay, next up, I'm pretty sure this is the second thing by this xoxo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. xoxo Designs. I really like their stuff. Again, the shape of this side table is so cool to me. It's very tribal. I want to say tribal, very like cultural. I don't know. Those are the words that come to my mind. This is just really, really cool. On top of like a white rug next to like a neutral couch, just adding in again, like that earthy vibe, that earthy feel. If you're noticing that you're gravitating towards a lot of white, a lot of gold, a lot of things that are like sharp and maybe a little bit harsh, adding in wood elements like this, just like soften it up a little bit and make it feel more inviting. It makes it feel more warm, cozy. Like you actually feel like, okay, I can put a drink on this side table. Sometimes if you have everything like marble, again, as I sit like next to a marble fireplace, a sea of all white, we're gonna work on that. You know how I love to switch things up. Might not say like this, but just like this side table right here is so thin and it's gold. It doesn't feel like you can really put a glass on there. I mean, we definitely do, but something wooden like this, it feels a little bit more sturdy. It feels a little bit more realistic. You could put down one of your domino coasters. If you saw my previous video, how we did that home DIY, you could put one of your domino coasters on here, okay? And then like an iced tea on top. That's cozy. That's realistic. It's just real life to have furniture pieces that you can use. You're not afraid of using. You're not afraid of it like tilting, okay? I just really like this. I like this shape. It's just really cool. If I saw this, I would immediately ask, where did you get that? I want to be twins. I need that. Okay, and then the next thing is this console table. You guys, I feel like a broken record, but the shape of this, I just love how it's an arch and it's like an open arch. I think this is just really, really cool. Obviously, really love the wood tone. If you're trying to get that cozy vibe, I'm telling you, wood is the way to go. I just love that this is cut open. It's very thin, so you could use this as an entryway console table. You could put it behind your couch, like I said, in a hallway. Like I think this would just add the perfect like sculptural detail plus storage because there are shelves. You could add baskets in there. Honestly, for me, I would just have it decorated with like coffee table books and little like trinkets and bowls and things like that, and like faux stems, a lamp kind of like how they have. But you could definitely use it for storage if it's in the entryway and you want to put like a couple baskets for like shoes or something like that. I just really like this. I thought it was really cool and different, and for the price, like I just think this is awesome, and I feel like this would look so nice in someone's home. You could have artwork on top, a mirror on top. I just love this. There's so many different ways that you could style it. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. Those are all of my home furniture finds for under $500. I really hope that this was helpful. All of these items were from Wayfair. I will have them linked down below. Wayfair is definitely a place where I go. If I'm trying to find like affordable things, check Wayfair. If you saw some things there, but you're like, I need some more, I want different options, click on the item and then scroll down. They'll have a section that says like more like this, and then you'll be able to search through. So maybe you're like, oh, I like that, but I want something in this color. Or, oh, I like that rug. Do they have a similar option? That's what I do. Like I could spend hours on Wayfair just scrolling. You can set the price for what you want, find what you need. They've got a bunch of different stuff. I've worked with them before. I'm a Wayfair girly. So hopefully this was helpful. If it helped you at all, if it gave you some inspiration, if you're like, oh my gosh, I need that console table, I need that light fixture, let me know which ones were your favorite. And yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my affordable furniture, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.